problem is that animals are being slaughtered all over the world so that their body parts can be sold for huge sums of money. For example, a rhino's horn will be sold for nearly $30,000 a pound, not to mention the black rhino population has gone down 97.6% since 1960. This chart shows the number of rhinos that have been killed versus the number of poachers that have been arrested in South Africa since 2007. Rhinos are not the only animals that are facing extinction. Take a look at this chart based on the lemur population. This graph represents all of the known lemur species that fall into three threatened categories. This is a dramatic increase and the highest percentage ever for a large group of mammals. The solution to these problems are drones. So, what is a drone? Drones are lightweight aircrafts that are equipped with cameras and sensors that collect data on the ground and send that data back to researchers. Drones are relatively cheap to build, with prices ranging from $600 to $2,000. In order to save endangered species, we will need to monitor them more closely. This will cost too much money to hire more rangers and researchers when drones can cover more area in less time for cheaper. So how will drones help the wildlife? Drones will allow for wildlife to still have the space to roam freely, but give us a chance to continuously monitor them. It will also allow for researchers to get the information they need without coming in contact with poachers and putting themselves at risk. The challenges that we face when using drones include limited fly time, which mainly depends on the model and how much fuel is needed to keep that model running. Also, recent studies have shown a spike in some animals' heart rate when drones fly over their heads. Some animals will flee, causing them to enter another animal's territory, while others remain still. In one case, the drone caused a bear to get so frightened that he suffered from a heart attack and died.